Hey everybody, it is Matt Blake, the sales manager here at Zilla Wraps, to show you some amazing van wraps we have going on today on your Friday wrap-up. So check it out. We have some cool stuff in the shop today. First up here in the front of the shop, we are doing another van from Michael's Keys. These guys are just non-stop growing, and we are happy to wrap anything they will bring us. This is a cargo van. We've done some different style vans for them, but this one's a cargo van. You can see we always have the full comp up here so our installers know what to do. But it looks great, matches the rest of their fleet. And this is a full advertising wrap, so everything is covered on the outside of this van. Move back here, and we're doing another van for Victory Church, a fabulous church up in Decatur, Texas. They actually have another location here in the North Fort Worth area and the Alliance area. So if you need some church in your life and you're in the North Fort Worth or Decatur area, check out Victory Church. But we do this branding on their church vans. We're actually doing some shuttle buses and a van for the Victory Christian Academy up there too. So we'll have those in the shop soon. But this is another full wrap, so all the exterior painted surfaces will be covered. They got this beautiful blue going on here with the logo. The window perf fades back. It looks really, really nice the way they do this. And we're happy to wrap another one for them. And then over here, we are doing a van for Campbell Electric. We've done a few things for Campbell Electric, and this one is kind of different. Since we're not doing a full wrap on it, we just do plotted graphics. So these graphics are full color printed and then cut out and applied onto the van like decals. But you still get a great look. You still get all your branding on there, phone numbers, all that stuff, and it looks really good. You can see on here all the colors stand out nicely on the van. So I think they're going to have some stuff on the back as well. See all the installations going on. Looking great here in the shop today. So you see when we install the plotted stuff, it's a little bit different. We have to place them where they need to go, matching the artwork layout that's been approved by the client. So there's a lot more measuring involved in that. Whereas once we get a panel up on a full wrap, you pretty much just line it all up. So that's what we have going on this beautiful Friday here at Zilla Wraps. So if you need a full wrap on your church van, you need plotted graphics on your service van, whatever it is you need, give us a call. We'd be happy to take care of it. Be sure to check out our website, ZillaWraps.com. Our YouTube is just blowing up with all kinds of crazy stuff. So we'll see you next week right here at Zilla Wraps. Thanks.